Yo, I'm gonna pass my gun. Yo, this blood clot. I'm gonna come off the stage. I'm gonna shoot up in here. Yo, talk where you go. People want you.
Hold on.
Where you go? People want you, DJ.
Ninja. Hold on.
Who perplexed the Gargan? I see the Dan Gargan coming. It's been a week since we do a Ninjaman video, so you know it's long overdue. That what we just watched was this clash between Ninja and Mad Cabra. Me need to find the full video. Cause then say Ninjaman they lose this clash. Me not believe it. Me have to see it with my own two eyes them. Anyways, it's a short piece, a nice piece of video tonight. We are jump right into it. And here is Ninjaman. I don't know if this is a real performance. Oh, it look like a movie. Wanna watch on this side? Yeah, that look like a movie, but Ninja what? Bad man. What kind of bad man? Real bad man. See, boss, I perform, I don't know a year or a date, but I think I'm on Spice. In night when they introduced Spice to the world. Queen of dancehall, Spicy, Grace.
Ninjaman.
Ninjaman, and I'm the real Ninjaman, and all my dancehall fans. Please stand up, me tell you, I'm Ninjaman, and I'm the real Ninjaman. What we tell them? We tell them, say, sing. Never can say goodbye to all of me fans, them. Never can say goodbye to all the hot girl, them. Never can say goodbye to all me shot a friend, them. Know the Ninjaman return. Me there, me nah make no trouble, but skin nigga I'm burn. They said me go a prison, me go learn. Be the better, now me come back merciless, but have a fire then. Never can say east. No blood Spice, lend me up here, so. Lend me up your Spice. Me know. Me ugly already and the people them know. Turn some of my video them on, so I'm going to come here alone here for no look and no bomb buckler idiot. Well, all of we know so them now suck, no you no ball out and put up a gun and suck. All who sure say them nah suck, no who do not scream. Oh no, no, so me ears clean, no? Me hear one girl scream we can still in her throat. Me can't tell you where she there, but somewhere in here me hear the in her throat. Anyway. Who in our sure say them nah give woman no secret to carry for them? Make me see you no gun on in the year.
Nobody have no secret for me in here. None. Can't call me
XY.
right now. Axar. Anyways, a Ninjaman and Spicy a perform right or so, but Ninjaman, you don't know, so Ninjaman have a nice to be pleased. Ninjaman say me, oh, what Ninjaman say be? Him a man. First they call him Ugly Man, then they call him Ninjaman and some other man. But this was the night he introduced Spice to the world still. Yeah man, Miss Grace, dancehall queen. We move forward. Hey, you see next few videos them are some short clips them in man, but me I tell you they ain't sweet, not even candy no sweet. So
Soon as me easy, me bubble every birth. Tell them say me birthday and no April 1st. Ninjaman and ninja me no under me no yama. Ninjaman and ninja no Suzuki no katana. Ninjaman and ninja man a police and no soldier. Me a the general me a not a pushover. Well man a pin and the other different and the bucket. They are from the start to the
me tell you say you got shot, all sweet. What man say? And say birthday on April 1st, you then see my easy. Man, we do things too no. Leave the ninja alone. Our next little piece, him and Emily, the greatest dancer interview of all time. Wait, say no? You kidding? Which other interview better than that? Me wait until thy kingdom come. I can't name a better interview than Ninjaman and Emily interview. Run it.
Say, Adams, here is my gun. Take my AK, my M16 and M1, but leave my Beretta. I have a small matter to settle with the one beanie man. No, ninja, you must understand. You must fight fist to fist like a man. Cause the people are dying, the children are crying, and blood is all over the land.
Ninja say have a business with second with beanie man. With him gun. Adam say, put it down. And let's fight fist to fist. Bam, bam, bam. Who do you think could I win? Beanie or Ninja? My money is on Ninja. And here's why my money is on Ninja. No.
Beanie Man the one. Wanna listen to the dance? What me say? Wanna see the Dan dog and coming? Wanna see the Dan dog and coming? Wanna see the Dan dog and coming all night long? Let me tell you something, boy. Me telling you, kill them and done. Kill them and done. You know me not the time for you to go kill them and done. Me telling you, kill them and done. Kill them and done. You know me not the time for you to them. You know say me in a me hotel. Me say in a window. Me and my wife Joy. A cool and settle down. You see a room 10. Me there cool down and all of a sudden yelling come and call me down. Say same thing. I wanna put more and me come then down. So me just put on me khaki suit and just come and tell her the then go and come in.
Hey, Ninja say must stay at room 210 and something I go down. Len call him, say I go up the street, go deal with a boy, go kick down a boy foot. Ninja real bad. Hey, why me say Ninja real bad man? Because Ninja say I'm a real bad man. And only a real bad man speak like this.
Ninjaman would have dumb if him no talk.
You have enough time. If I know police and soldier, bad man dead like dog. Cause they go pick trouble with people, have more gun than them, and when the gun turn out.
If I ever have a police or soldier, enough bad man dead. Because why? They go pick trouble with man we have bigger gun than them. I don't know if this is a formal speech or it's a funeral speech or what kind of speech this because the boss dress up, but the man too funny. Anyways, as me tell you, say this I wanna go short and sweet and spicy. Hope you like it. If you don't like it, just leave a just like the video, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me which one I clip them. If you don't like it, most are just comment Ninjaman or just comment free Ninjaman. Subscribe if you haven't, click the notification bell, share the video on your Facebook and your YouTube and your TikTok and everywhere man. Share it man, cause YouTube nah share it for me. But yeah, thanks for watching, stay safe, God bless.